Jimmy, we are safe. The ship has seen us and is putting out a boat.
Jane, don't count your chicken before they are hatched. Let's see who are they first.
Jimmy, I am surprised at you. You sound as if you are not happy to be saved.
What is a moment compared to eternity?
What on earth are you talking about?
I said, what is a moment compared to eternity?
Bestir yourself. You have taken seawater and it is affecting your mind.
No. It is just that on another island like this one, the holy man on the island had asked it the question. It didn't register with me at the time.
Don't tell me you want to remain on the island and live the life of a holy man. I will miss you. I think I have a fondness for you already.
Do you? I am glad to hear that. We went through the jaws of death together. We survived the ordeal. I believe I have a great fondness for you as well.
But you mentioned just now about this holy man.
He also said, there is a difficulty.
Difficulty? What type of difficulty?
I mean difficulty for me to be a holy man. I cannot afford to lose you after what we have been through.
Jimmy, I thank you for saying this. So you are not for staying on this island, then?
Unlike the sadhu, or holy man, I have no fondness for pets. I have a fondness for you though. But meantime, we have to be alert.
Alert for what?
The ship may be a local ship I can recognize, but the crew may be commandeered by pirates. We have no weapons. So we must be on guard.
You are right.
Let's hope it is a ship searching for me and my missing crew. Then we are truly saved.